always take credit for my style because when I'm on my own, I style myself.
Asked you to say a few words about your association with Asmi Bazaar and how has it been?
It's been great. And, this is my first online shopping brand, and it's really progressive. You see, in India we don't have access to internet shopping like this because we love street shopping. We love to buy everything, and we like a personal touch. That we can actually buy masalas or gota or even like the smallest things that we can't imagine we can ever get in on internet. Also, I think the best thing is that they've given me really beautiful campaign, and I love the advertisements. They're so popular. Now that I'm working on a film where I have double role, Tanu Weds Manu, people tell me, but you've already done double roles. I'm like, no, I haven't. It's my first time. They already know that advertisement that comes on television. You have double roles, so so that's so popular, and everyone. Sort of identifies with it. So it's been very, very gratifying, and I'm very, very happy to be a part of it.
What do you have to say about the entire thing?
This is a very, very sensitive topic, and it is a very vast topic for this platform especially. But I think this is a very sexist approach. That this is men, women, children, older people. How I see women is as a feminine goddess, So feminine can be awakened in anyone. Feminine means sensitive emotions, being gentle, being kind, being full of love. And for all you know, man could be a lot more feminine than a woman. You can't really discriminate people and just be sexist that just because you're a man, you're bound to be ruthless or things like that, or just because you're a woman, you are this goddess just because so you can get away with anything. That's not the way we can look at things. That would be a very superficial approach. Queen has been a life-changing experience for me, and people like Amitabh ji or Rekha ji or Mr. Amir Khan and even Salman for that matter, or Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, or all these people who we look up to. They've been very encouraging, very supportive, and needless to say that Queen has been sort of landmark to me, and I'm overwhelmed with the response, and now the national award is just like amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. And the last question I would want to ask you is, you do not belong to a filmy background. You do not have a godfather in Bollywood. Right now, I think you are the style diva in Bollywood. So what is your sense? What do you have to say about fashion, and what is Kanna's style for all beautiful women out here?
My style is, I like a bit, chic and boho coming together, but I can't always take credit for my style because when I'm on my own, I style myself, but mostly I have great people, extremely talented people working with me. Like right now I'm being styled by Ami Patel, so obviously it's her statement. But when I'm on my own, that's the time I dress up for myself, and rest of the time I'm just working with great team of people. Well, thank you for coming here. Thanks.
Kanna, what do you do online? Do you buy anything? Is there any favorite thing? What would you buy online and what would you not buy online?
See, for us, when we work so much, and especially now that I'm working in night shifts, and we don't have a timetable that we follow, it just depends on the shift. We really rely on online shopping. Everything from rugs to clothes to home accessories to kitchen accessories to everything, Sometimes we have to buy a lot of stuff online.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Many congratulations for the national award.
Thank you.
Has the life changed after it? Can we ask these questions to you?
Well, not in a literal way, but things do add to your life, right?
after a national award, second national award, it's not that something has changed in my life, like, I've grown wings or something.